Break your limits. Are you ready to break your limits? Bodybuilding is about pushing past what you thought was possible and discovering new heights of strength and endurance. Every workout is an opportunity to test your boundaries and redefine what you are capable of. When you are faced with that final rep, when you feel like you can't go on, that's where true growth happens. It's in those moments of pushing through the pain and fatigue that you unlock your potential. Your limits are only as real as you make them. They are challenges, not barriers. Visualize yourself succeeding. See every challenge as an opportunity to prove yourself wrong. The weight you lift, the routines you follow, and the discipline you maintain are all tools to help you break through those perceived limits. Embrace your struggle because it's the struggle that makes you stronger. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. If you stumble, get back up and push harder. It's not about how many times you fall, but about how many times you get back up and keep going. Each failure is a lesson. Each struggle is a stepping stone toward breaking your own limits. Push yourself beyond what you think you can do. Embrace the pain. Channel it and use it to drive your progress. You are stronger than your limits. Break through them and discover the greatness that lies on the other side.